Hi there, I'm Spades and I'm here today to give you a quick tutorial on staff juggling. So it was pointed out to me recently that there's a lot of tutorials out there and a lot of props, but staff juggling in particular doesn't seem to have a lot of tutorials. So here's the basics of what I would consider the most rudimentary pattern of staff juggling. It's considered the French Cascade. First, I want to give a thanks to Rob Thorburn, Blue Cat, who was my first staff juggling instructor many years ago. And he taught me this pattern, and he said that he likes it, which I also agree, because it makes use of the fact that the staff has two symmetrical ends. Unlike club juggling, where you have a handle and a club, you can juggle like this, and you catch the handle every time, and it's static on wheel plane right here. The staff juggling pattern makes use of wall plane, so you're making a much broader pattern, using more from your shoulder, less from the wrist and the elbow, and you're making use of this 2-beat weave the whole time. So the French Cascade for staff juggling looks something like this, and then we're going to break it down. Okay, so first let's start with one staff. You want to hold it at the quarter grip, because then you have a nice lot of weight at the front, so if I release pressure it falls behind and can get that 2-beat weave going. I want my other hand that's receiving ready and open, and as I toss I'm going to come across my body, aim for the center above me, let it travel through the air, do one rotation, land in my other hand in that same quarter grip. So from one side, swoop down, up, catch, and then this is where you reverse the pattern. Let it fall behind your back and go back into a 2-beat weave. So when I catch it, I catch in that quarter grip and I do a little pressure up to reverse the pattern and have it fall behind my back. So forward, up, reverse, behind my back. Forward, up, reverse, behind my back. And get used to this with one staff until it feels very natural. You want to avoid doing the static juggling pattern, which would look like this, just because it doesn't make use of both ends of the staff and that nice 2-beat weave. So instead it's rotation, rotation behind, rotation in front, rotation behind, rotation in front, rotation behind. Cool. So now with two staves, it's the same thing. You can start that 2-beat weave pattern, and then toss, toss, catch, catch, and try to continue the weave. And every time when you reverse that direction, then you're going to be coming back. So toss, toss, catch, reverse, back into the pattern. Toss, toss, catch, and back into the pattern. When you're doing this with one staff and with two staffs, you want to make sure you're working your left and right side equally. So I go right, left, switch, then left, right, switch, switch. Back into this. Left, right, right, left. Left, right, right, left. And that's it, you're almost there. So the last step is just to add in a third stick and continue that pattern. And then give a nice loft so you're not going super fast. One of the best advice I ever had on juggling was not to go so quickly, and that you always have more time than you think. You see people juggle and they're really tense and they're going super quick, but you want to try to relax your shoulders, bring your arms to your side, and give nice lofty tosses so you're casually juggling instead of trying to race to keep up. So my tosses are a little bit above head high, and that's good for a single rotation. So going out of this 2-beat weave pattern, toss and reverse, and reverse, and reverse. Well, that's what I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and keep throwing those sticks in the air.